Do you want to know how to get more clients through the door and fill your schedule with steady work? If so, you're in the right place. 90% of tattoo artists don't know a lot about marketing, which leads them to being overworked and underpaid. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to get as many clients as you need or want in 3 simple steps. But before we get into all that, if you would like more tips on how to increase your tattoo customer base and how to grow your tattooing income, make sure you like this video and watch all the way till the end. Even if you have something else to do, don't click off. Just keep the video playing in the background. It'll help support the channel and also give me the ability to keep making all these awesome videos for you guys. For those who are new to the channel, I'm Brandon and I've been tattooing since 2010. And I've opened up 3 different tattoo studios in Tennessee. And I know the secret between a shop full of empty chairs to being booked out for months. And it's not spending all your time online or being shackled by social media, posting every single day just to try to be relevant. The secret is a solid understanding of marketing funnels. Luckily, you don't have to be a marketing professional in order to use them. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use these to your advantage for tattooing. So let's break it down. There's 3 steps that you need to know in order to build a marketing system for your tattoo studio. There's awareness, consideration, and conversation. First up is awareness. This is where potential customers find you. They might see your work on social media, hear about you from their friends, or even just by passing the shop. The goal here is to get their attention by striking visuals and engaging stories about your art. Now, people can't buy your tattoos until they know that you exist. That's why the goal here in the awareness stage is just to get people aware of the tattoos and the art that you do, so that they hear your name and associate it with tattooing. So when it comes to awareness, you want to expand your reach and get seen by as many people as you can. Now, right now, Instagram Reels are the way to go, since Instagram wants more of their users to post video content. It rewards you for making Reels by pushing it to a ton of different people. When people see your video and either comment or follow, or even give you their name and email, that's when we move to the second stage, which is consideration. In the consideration stage, clients are comparing their options. They're going through looking at different artists and styles, thinking what best artist fits their vision. That's when you show them your portfolio, share client testimonials, and provide detailed information about your sanitation and safety standards. Make it easy for them to see that you are the best choice. So in the consideration part of the step process, you're going to need 2 things. First off, you're going to need to answer the question, why should I choose you over another artist? Next, you need to get potential clients to like and trust you so they feel comfortable giving their hard-earned money to get a tattoo from you. And the best way to earn that trust is to highlight what makes you unique as an artist. For example, are you the only female artist in your area? Do you offer financing for tattoos? Are you the cheapest or most expensive artist in the town you're living in? Have you tattooed someone famous? Or even have the best reviews on Google? All of those things matter to people. Maybe you have more credentials, like you have an art degree or medical background, or you've done extra infection control courses that makes your studio safer than others. If you have a unique style that no one else in the area does, you have a loyalty program that rewards returning customers and clients, or if you run events at your studio, this is the time to mention it so you stand out as an artist. Whatever it is, this is where you need to show out that you are the one to choose and what makes you so different than other artists in the area. This consideration step is about building a relationship with your client. That way, they get to know you, like, and also trust you. Usually, someone is going to need to see about 7 to 14 posts in order to build up that loyalty. If you want to speed up the process and make sure your potential clients are seeing your posts, get them on a mailing list or an Instagram broadcast list. That way you pop up in their inbox instead of somewhere on their feed. Once they've seen your post and you built up a relationship with your client, your potential customer is ready to move on to the next stage, which is the conversation stage. This is where the bookings happen. Clients are ready to buy from you, but they might need a final nudge. This is where you can offer them a free consultation, a booking discount, or highlight a unique aspect of your tattooing experience. A little nudge like this will make it easier for them to say yes, and to also be happy about choosing you as their artist. And that is what the whole conversation stage is about, getting that yes from a potential client. But there's a small thing that most artists run into during this stage. Most people are procrastinators. So you need to give them a reason to buy now, or they will never take that step. Any promotion that you have will help out along this process because they will feel like they missed out on something important unless they book in now. For example, you could use scarcity by offering something rare, like a deal that'll never happen again. Or you could use urgency by offering a deal that won't last for long. This applies just enough pressure to help tip people over the edge to get them booked in. That way they're not just a follower, but they're a paying customer. You also want to qualify your leads here, which just means having a filter set up that screens out people that aren't going to buy from you, or that aren't going to buy from you right now. And the best way to do that is just by asking a few questions. For example, you might want to ask, so what's your budget at right now? If someone wants a back piece for $50, you could try to offer them a smaller tattoo for that amount. Or you could turn them down. $50 for a back tattoo does not pay well enough for your time, so that customer won't qualify for an appointment. You might also ask what their pain tolerance is like. If they want a massive rib tattoo for their first tattoo, and they have no idea how much it's going to hurt, and then they might not come back for the second session. I also like to ask, what do you do for work? Obviously, I don't want to tattoo a lawyer's neck or face, because they could end up losing their job and come back and blame me. So that qualifying question will rule them out. The next qualification is for someone that wants to become a client is take a $50 deposit to set up an appointment on your calendar. Now, if a potential client won't come up with $50 for a deposit, they probably won't be able to come up with the money to actually pay for the tattoo. They either cancel, no show, or try to haggle the price to get it to come down. While you feel like you're losing a customer in the moment, it's really important in this business to attract good quality clients. It'll save you a lot of headaches in the future. Now that we understand the 3 stages, let's talk about what you should actually post during these steps. During the awareness stage, you need to have everything very eye-catching. This could mean bright, vibrant pictures of the tattoos you're doing, videos of the tattooing process, content from your customers like selfies, things like that, or what we call a lead magnet. This is a piece of content meant to attract new clients, and this is something that they'll get for free whenever they join your email list or your Instagram broadcast channel. This content should aim to inspire and attract people to you as an artist. In the consideration stage, our aim is to show yourself and to build the trust of you being a professional tattoo artist. You just want them to feel like they know you. So posting behind the scenes videos of you tattooing, cleaning your workspace, or even sharing stories with your clients. You also want them to know your style. So showing your portfolio with different techniques and styles that you do, posting tons of flash that you've drawn, or even what makes you different than other artists in the area. When they see and understand the amount of work that you put in for your style, they will also understand the value of your work. Finally, during the conversation stage, your content should encourage clients to take action now. On top of that, you want to have it so the action that they take is as easy as possible. You could do this by using limited time promotions or feature a tattoo of the month to apply that pressure and create urgency to them wanting to book an appointment. You could also make sure that any links for your booking is easy to find. Remember, at this point, you're not just selling a tattoo. It can be tempting to just give an offer on a lesser price just to get them to book, but you don't want to do this. This means you'll end up making less money, and then your clients will expect this in the future, and you end up taking a big hit on what you could make. Instead, you want to add value. For example, you give them a $50 gift voucher on their next tattoo instead of taking $50 off the tattoo they're getting right away. It's a subtle difference, but it's a big one. If you found this video useful and you would like an exact blueprint of what I use to make over 6 figures a year tattooing, hit the link below this video. We've put together a training that shows you exactly how to get more clients and to dramatically boost your income. This is your opportunity to grow your business and make a more comfortable living tattooing. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.